Do you want to expand your payment options without disrupting your Salesforce billing workflow? Do you also need to connect Salesforce billing with a payment gateway that it doesn't natively support? Well, you just found your solution. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce admin or a consultant who wants to learn more about payments and be a superstar for your organization, then you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn how to set up Chargent to extend the payment options while keeping your familiar Salesforce billing experience. Chargent, we act as a bridge, allowing you to connect Salesforce billing with a wide range of payment gateways that aren't directly supported. You can do this all right in the Salesforce Billing UI. This means that you can process payments from virtually any provider, all within the same Salesforce billing interface that you know and love. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have Chargent installed in your Salesforce org, and you can do this from our Payment Installation Manager, which is linked from our site. Be sure to install Chargent Base and Transactions first, and then install Chargent for Salesforce Billing. Oh, and just a quick note, if you're looking to optimize your Salesforce payment processing and reduce fees, be sure to download the Salesforce Payments checklist. It's filled with practical tips to improve your workflows and boost your productivity. Simply click the link in the description of this video. Now, let's connect to the payment gateway. And for this example, we're going to use Braintree, but the process is similar for most gateways. Click the Setup wizard and answer yes to the first question. Select your gateway from the list, then enter your credentials on the next page and go ahead and click Continue. From here, the wizard's going to walk you through configuring the gateway. You'll be asked whether you want to use tokenization, which we strongly encourage, which currencies and which payment method you'll accept, and a few other details. Now that your payment gateway is configured in Chargent, let's get it set up and running over in Salesforce Billing. We'll do that by navigating to the Payment Gateways object and creating a new payment gateway there. So once you're on that object, click the New button, enter a name for the new payment gateway, something like Chargent Braintree. Select the gateway that we just configured in Chargent from the Chargent Gateway pick list, and then go ahead and click Save. Once you've configured the gateway connection, the next crucial step in the Chargent Payment Gateway Setup is testing the integration. So to do this, we'll create a test invoice in Salesforce Billing, and then we'll process a payment through our newly created gateway. See, wasn't that easy? You can now process payments through Braintree without ever leaving Salesforce Billing. But that's not all. Chargent also allows you to leverage powerful features like payment runs in Salesforce Billing. And you can do this to process ACH payments in batches, as well as credit cards. This saves you time and it streamlines your billing operations. Imagine seamlessly processing payments from any gateway, all within the Salesforce Billing interface that you're already familiar with. And with Chargent, you can do that very easily. For personalized guidance, I'd encourage you to sign up for a free Salesforce Billing demo, and our experts here at Chargent will help you get it set up for your specific needs. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make payments in Salesforce simple. Remember to download the checklist by clicking the link in the description. And for more helpful tips, I want you to watch this video here. And remember, at Chargent, we are always here to help.